Today we're doing a quick unboxing of the new Ring Wired Doorbell Pro 3rd generation, which is their new version with 4K resolution. It's got a lot of the same features as the 2nd gen Wired Doorbell Plus, and it also has Audio Plus. You can see it's a little bit slimmer. It also has several different color options where you can just change out the front faceplate. This color is deep silver, but I ordered the polished sandstone, which I should be getting here soon. So I might do an update just to show you what that version looks like. Dimensions are 5.45 inches by 1.95 inches and weighs just under half a pound. This one's got 3D motion detection, low light sight, live view, and two-way talk with Audio Plus. Also has 10x enhanced zoom. And then of course video history with a Ring subscription. This one also comes with the Chime Mini. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that or not. I was actually looking into their Chime Pro or the Chime 3rd generation, but we'll have to see once I get this installed. You've also got your wedge or mounting spacer, whatever you want to call it, if you want to angle this to the right or left. Also comes with your wiring, screws, mounting accessories. They also throw in a Ring sticker. You can tell it's definitely a little bit sleeker, thinner, a little bit smaller. Definitely looks a little bit fancier than some of the older Ring doorbells in my opinion. You've got the USB-C port there on the back, 2 little screws for the wires. Feels like most of it is still plastic, but like I said, definitely looks a little more upscale than some of the previous versions. They give you this little orange tool to remove the faceplate. Actually pretty simple to do. And then it just snaps right back on. So that's everything that comes in the box. So I'm curious to see how good this is going to be compared to my Google Nest doorbell, hopefully later this week.